everyone. So today I'm taking you guys to my kitchen. We are making meat pie today, and I'm going to start by, I've already sliced my carrots and my potato. So here I want to start with the sauce now. Here is my onion. You have to fry the onion very well. Fry the onion very well. Very well. Very well. You have to fry it very well. And our grounded meat. Here is our grounded meat. So this, guys, you have to fry this grounded meat like so. I'm not using a lot of oil, because you know that when the never mess up. Excuse me, guys. I'm holding this phone with one hand and as well doing the video with one hand. Here is our meat, and now we have to season it. I'm adding Maggi, guys, just a little Maggi that we used before. So I'm using a cube of Maggi. Here, like so. I don't have time. I'm using my rosemary now. If you have time, you can use my rosemary now. A little bit of rosemary now. And curry powder. So this, you are going to stir. See, now continue to cook this meat until you see that it's well cooked. Not follow. Sorry, guys. I'm using one hand for the pot and one hand for my phone. With my phone, so it's not easy. So continue to stir it. Now you are going to allow this meat to cook very well. Like to cook before you now add your carrots and your Irish potato. So guys, as you can see, our meat is cooked. So at this point, I'll be adding my carrots. Don't worry, guys, my hand is properly washed. Good luck, leave me alone and leave here. So our carrots and our Irish potato goes in now. Good luck, take and leave me alone. Take all of them. Carry the rubber. Yes, take. Pass them. So our carrots and our Irish potato is in now. So you are going to stir. Sorry, guys, I forgot to show when I were putting my salt. So salt is already in. sauce is already inside. Everything is inside now. At this point, we have to put in our water. Water for it to cook very well. You know, the carrot is strong, and the potato and the carrot. So here is our water, a little bit of water, see, then you stir. The water is small, add more little water. Okay. For the carrot and the potato to cook very well. Okay, at this point, you cover it. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. So guys, here is my flour. I'm really making a plenty meat pie because it's for my baby's dedication. So here is a little bit of salt, and here is my baking powder. Thirsty, come and carry a set to that side. Thirsty, come and carry a set. No, come and carry a set. So guys, I see that the baking powder is too small for the flour I'm going to use, so I add a little more. You can see. So now I'm going to mix my baking powder and my salt together with the flour here. Okay. As you can see, I've already mixed them. Now I want to add my butter. Here is my butter. I'm adding my butter now. Okay, like I said before, I'm making my meat pie is very many, so you can see that's why I'm adding a lot of butter. So guys, you see I already add my butter. I'm adding a lot of butter because I want it to be very rich. Yeah, so here is my butter. Now you are going to mix. Don't worry, my hand is properly washed. Before now, cause say I don't wash my hand and I dey use my hand dey mix. I don't wash am o. Mix until your butter is finally mixed with your powder. So guys, at this point I find out that the butter is not enough. You can see it's not enough, so I'm adding more butter. Adding more butter to it. More butter to what I'm doing. So I'm going to mix it very well now for the butter to combine with my flour. So guys, at this point I'm going to pause the video because I have to use my 2 hands to mix this thing very well. As you can see, the flour is very many. So guys, as you can see, our sauce is well cooked. It's well cooked, as you can see. So you see, it's well cooked. Now we are going to add a little bit of our mixed flour for it to thicken it, the sauce. I don't know, thickening agent. As you can see. So that is what I'm trying to do now. Okay. As you can see, it's thick, so I'll just allow it to boil a little and drop it. So guys, as you can see, I already add my milk. I'm sorry I did not show when I was adding my milk because like I said, I'm using one hand to hold the phone and the other hand to mix the flour. So now I'm mixing my dough. You see, mixing it. At this point, guys, as you can see, the milk that I added is not enough, so I want to add a little more, very small, not too much. Voila, just small. So guys, at this point I'm going to mix and I'm using 2 hands. See you when I finish mixing. So guys, our dough is ready. Do this thing. Our dough is ready. I'm just going to cover it now with my kitchen napkin and allow it to sit for some time. Here is our sauce. It's ready. At this point I'm going to allow it to cool down while the dough is while I cover the dough to sit for some minutes. The dough is ready. I'm about to start the filling now. So what you will just do is to take a bit of your egg, rub it like so, then here your sauce, and wrap. You know, I'm using one hand, so I'm going to pause and show you guys later. So guys, you see, this is my meat pie. I already fill it. All you have to do is just to pick it like so, and here is my pan. Put it like this. I'm going to repeat this process until I'm done. Guys, this is my meat pie is ready now. I want to put it inside the oven. I have other ones that I want to do, but this is the first set. I'm putting it now. I'll continue like this until I'm done. Guys, here is our meat pie. I told you guys I'm making a lot of meat pie. This is the end of our meat pie, the look of our meat pie, and it looks so delicious. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. If you know you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. Love you all.